Hello children, in this video we are going to revise 2 marks in chapter 7 atoms and molecules. What are isotopes? Give an example. Atoms of the same element that have same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Example, isotopes of hydrogen 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Here all the hydrogen has 1 as atomic number but mass number 1, 2, 3 are different. So 1H1, 1H2, 1H3 are example of isotope. What are isobars? Atom of different elements may have same atomic masses are called isobars. Example, argon and calcium. See, both argon and calcium has same atomic masses as 40, but argon atomic number 18, calcium atomic number 20, same atomic masses. What is termed as artificial transmutation? Atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of other element is called artificial transmutation. We already studied a nuclear reaction. The unstable nucleus undergo disintegration and converted into stable nucleus. That process also called artificial transmutation. Atom is the smallest particle that takes part in a chemical reaction. The mass of an atom can be converted into energy. This can be explained by Einstein equation E equal to mc square. These 2 points and isotopes, isobars, artificial transmutation are all main postulates of modern atomic theory. Define relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio between the average mass of its isotopes to 1 by 12th part of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. It is denoted as AR. Define atomicity. The number of atoms present in the molecule is called atomicity. For example, CO2. Here 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. There are 3 atoms present in carbon dioxide. So the atomicity of CO2 is 3. Define molecule. A molecule is a combination of 2 or more atoms held together by the strong chemical force of attraction, that is chemical bonds. For example, water H2O, carbon dioxide CO2 are molecule. There are 2 types of molecules: homoatomic molecule, heteroatomic molecule. What is a homoatomic molecule? If the molecule is made up of similar kind of atoms, then it is called homoatomic molecule. Example, hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule. In hydrogen molecule H2, the 2 hydrogen atom are same, so it is homoatomic molecule. What is heteroatomic molecule? Give 2 examples. The molecule that consists of atoms of different elements is called heteroatomic molecule. For example, hydrochloric acid and water. In H2O, there are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. 2 different kind of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen, present in water molecule. So it is example for heteroatomic molecule. What is polyatomic molecule? If a molecule contains more than 3 atoms, then it is called polyatomic molecule. For example, HNO3. Here 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen, 3 oxygen. There are 5 atoms present in it. So it is polyatomic molecule. Define relative molecular mass. The relative molecular mass of a molecule is the ratio between the mass of one molecule of the substance to 1 by 12th mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Classification of molecules. If number of atoms present in a molecule is 1, then named it as monoatomic molecule. If number of atoms is 2, then it is diatomic molecule. If number of atoms present in a molecule is 3, then it is named as triatomic molecule. If number of atoms more than 3, it is named as polyatomic molecule. P4. Here number of atom is 4. Number of atom more than 3. So this is polyatomic molecule. Especially whole this molecule made up of similar kind of atom. So it is homopolyatomic molecule. Here HNO3. The number of atom present is 5. More than 3, so it is polyatomic. This molecule is made up of different kind of atoms, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. So it is named as heteropolyatomic molecule. Ozone, O3. The number of atoms is 3, so it is triatomic molecule, and this molecule is made up of similar kind of atom, only oxygen, so this is homo-triatomic molecule. Nitrogen monoxide. Here number of atoms is 2, one nitrogen, one oxygen, so it is diatomic molecule. This molecule is made up of different kind of atom, N and O, so this is heterodiatomic molecule. Difference between atoms and molecules. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound. Atom does not exist in free state except noble gas, because noble gas element is a highly stable element. But molecule always exists in a free state. Except noble gas, other atoms are highly reactive. Molecules are less reactive. Atom does not have any bond, but atoms binding in a molecule are held by chemical bonds. Bonds are present in molecule. Let's solve some problems. Calculate gram molar mass of water. The formula for water is H2O, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. To calculate gram molar mass, you should know atomic masses of individual component. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Here there are 2 hydrogen, so 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 2 into 1. 1 oxygen, 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16 into 1. That should be equal to 2 plus 16. We can get 18. 18 gram is the gram molar mass of H2O. Calculate gram molar mass of carbon dioxide, CO2, 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Only 1 carbon, so 1 into atomic mass of carbon, that is 12 into 1, plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen, 16 into 2. 12 into 1 plus 16 into 2 equal to 12 plus 32. That should be equal to 44. Gram molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. Solve other example problem given in your textbook. Read well, write your exam neatly. All the best.